Hey, it's Annie with your latest tech update. Using a cloud server has so many benefits for your business. It's a flexible way to store as much data as you need and work on it from anywhere. But you must be sure 100% that your data is protected. A new report studied businesses that were hacked. It found 41% were breached through their cloud server, and that figure's rising every year. Emails were named the second biggest entry point of cybercriminals, followed by servers in your office that you access remotely, and employee-owned mobile devices. Remember, cybercriminals don't just target big businesses. They use automated tools to target all businesses all the time. Smaller businesses make easier targets when they don't take security seriously. If you're not 100% sure your cloud server or any part of your technology is safe, contact us and we'll check on it for you. That's your tech update. More next week.